Have you seen our new comprehensive food list feature on Prana app? This tool is not just your typical nutritional database. Each food item comes with detailed information on calories per serving, macro data, including often overlooked fiber content, along with allergen notices. But what truly sets this feature apart is the incorporation of Ayurvedic insights for every ingredient. You'll discover what doshas each food pacifies, the effects on your internal balance, and the essential Ayurvedic attributes like taste, energy, and post-digestive impact. Again, this is per food item. In addition to this wealth of information, we've categorized the foods as sattvic, rajasic, or tamasic, helping you make informed choices aligned with Ayurvedic principles. You'll find this incredible resource invaluable when preparing your own recipes or when dining out, ensuring that you are cooking and ordering in a way that keeps your dosha harmonized. While this food list is grounded in time-tested Ayurvedic wisdom and evidence-based nutritional science, first and foremost, I encourage you to trust your instincts, practice careful observation, and keep a food journal. You may find that some foods, generally considered aggravating for your dosha, may actually work well for you, and vice versa. Prana app intelligently considers each ingredient's characteristics when creating your Ayurvedic-inspired recipes and menus. Please note that even when a food is labeled as aggravating, we can still make it suitable for your dosha by using the right spices, combining it with pacifying ingredients, or using the most soothing cooking method for your dosha. That's the beauty of Ayurveda. It's adaptable. So I invite you to use your Ayurvedic food list today only on Prana app.